This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: this procedure applies only to models equipped with traditional halogen headlight bulbs. Due to the high voltages produced on models with HID headlight systems, this could potentially generate a fatal shock if mistreated. These systems can be identified by the high voltage warning sticker on the headlight housing or under the hood. HID headlights are not covered. Halogen bulbs are gas-filled and under pressure and may shatter if the surface is scratched or the bulb is dropped. Wear eye protection and handle the bulbs carefully. Do not touch the surface of the bulb with your fingers because the oil from your skin could cause the bulb to overheat and fail prematurely. Ensure the headlight switch is in the off position. On SER models, remove the air filter resonator to access the left side headlight bulb. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Slide out the lock, then depress the tab to unplug the headlight bulb holder electrical connector. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise, then pull it straight out to remove the headlight bulb. Be careful not to touch the bulb with your fingers. If you accidentally touch the bulb surface, clean it with rubbing alcohol. Install the new headlight bulb into the headlight housing, aligning the notches correctly. Turn the bulb holder clockwise to secure it. Connect the electrical connector to the headlight bulb holder and secure the locking tab. On SER models, install the air filter resonator. Reconnect the negative battery cable and tighten the battery cable nut securely.